Hello, welcome to Living the Outdoor Life Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Co-hosts are Home by Design with Marilyn, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these wonderful channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be spending time in my outdoor kitchen. I'm going to be roasting and processing these wonderful green chili peppers. These chili peppers are from Hatch, New Mexico. I'm going to roast them on my barbecue grill, and then once the peel gets nice and bubbly, I'm going to take them off and put them in a plastic bag and seal them up. I'll let them sit and steam in here for a couple of hours, and then that'll loosen the skin on the outside. I'll easily be able to peel it off after they've steamed in the plastic bag. Every year, Hatch, New Mexico hosts a chili festival where these chili peppers are from. It's wonderful and brings people from all over the world, often up to 30,000 visitors. The first festival was held in 1971. Here in Hatch, New Mexico, you can have chilies roasted and packaged, or you can buy them and take them home yourself from many local growers. Thank you so much for being here. I had such a wonderful time roasting these peppers outdoors. I would really appreciate if you check out all of the participating channels, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.